I would say it's a great way to supplement your income. I don't say it would be a good idea to completely leave your area of expertise to purely trade, in the beginning anyway.
Is there any reason why you would say to an investor that now is a particularly good or bad time to get stuck into trading?
I would say it's a good time to get involved in trading at the moment, mainly because of the technology out there that enables you to basically trade. Things like social trading is also very popular at the moment. It enables people that haven't traded that regularly or know that much about the subject to basically get involved in a growth industry.
And what would you say are the best markets for beginners?
I would say the best markets for beginners are developed markets like indices like FTSE, Dow, S&P. I would say to keep away from emerging markets in the beginning. They're probably a little bit too volatile.
Say I've opened a trading account, but how do I start picking which stocks to trade?
I would say the best way for you to pick stocks in the beginning would be to stick to equities and stocks that you probably know and understand already a little bit about. For argument's sake, you could have a mobile phone account with Vodafone, so Vodafone would be a good point to start at, because you know and understand a little bit about the company already, and then you can base some of your trades and positions around that. I would consider indices a better market to trade than shares, certainly for beginner traders. It is true that indices can't go broke or bust, which means that the volatility shouldn't be as high as smaller cap shares.
We know that losing trades are part of a trading game, but how can you identify when to take the profits and how you're going to exit at a loss?
I would say the best way to identify when to exit a losing trade would be to stick to technical analysis and your money management system. On a basic technical analysis perspective, a break of support if you were long, and a break of resistance if you were short on the upside.
What are the different timescales for trading, and would you say that spread bettors mainly trade and close on the same day?
I'd say in the beginning, certainly traders start off with doing shorter term trades, then as they progress they start doing longer term trades. That's the usual reaction that we see.
And what about daily? When you say short and long, what's your time reference?
So a time reference for me would be, on a short term basis, it would probably be like 30 minutes, and then as they progress I'd say it would then out to possibly days, weeks and then months.
Which markets tend to be more popular with traders and why?
I'd say the most popular markets are the ones that you read about in the media. For argument's sake, gold, oil, silver, FTSE, Dow, DAX, and some of the main equities. These products are in the media, in the press, so they're the ones that clients can latch onto with trading ideas. I would say they're definitely the most popular products to trade.
And do you think spread traders day trade, swing trade or position trade?
In the beginning they would probably start to day trade, and then as they progress with their education and their ability, I'd say they then go through to swing trading and then more longer term trades. But certainly in the beginning it's definitely shorter term trading.